Now we will discuss about abundant checkouts. It's mean when customer want to create an order and he did not fulfill the payment, then abundant checkouts creates. Let's see how it will work. For example, customer want to buy this, buy it now. Customer fulfill his shipping address and all information and continue to shopping. Then close the window. A new abundant checkout is created just now. We can see if we want to resend customer this checkout, send a call recovery email. We send email to customer. You can see there is a message for user. Again, we redirect customer to their payment page. Customer payment clear. Again we test order. Future date and code. As you can see, there is a order. This is the method of abundant checkouts.